Natural home remedies to reduce body heat. Lemon. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 lemon right into a glass water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey along with a pinch of salt into it. Drink about 3 portions of this refreshing drink each day. Watermelon. Consume a couple of slices of watermelon, or blend it with some cold milk and sugar to create a refreshing drink. You may also combine cubes of watermelon with cucumber and muskmelon. Then drizzle just a little essential olive oil and balsamic vinegar regarding this to create a healthy salad. Aloe vera. Extract fresh aloe gel from your aloe leaf and rub it over the body. Leave it on not less than 20 minutes, then have a cold bath. Repeat when needed. You may also drink a glass of homemade aloe vera juice prepared with as many as 2 teaspoons of aloe gel. Don't consume greater than 2 teaspoons of aloe gel each day. Buttermilk. Drink a glass of buttermilk together with your breakfast within the summer time to maintain your body cool during the day. An alternative choice is to merge together 1/2 cup of thick yogurt, water along with a pinch of salt. Love this particular homemade buttermilk 2 times daily. Indian gooseberry. Combine 1 part Indian gooseberry juice with 4 parts water. Give a little salt or sugar to enhance the flavor. Drink it 2 times daily throughout the summer time to avoid heat stress. An alternative choice would be to add 2 teaspoons of Indian gooseberry juice, 1 teaspoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to glass water. Drink this daily each morning before eating anything.